And we know very well, in Parliament the other day, you tried to late Shakahora with the former DCI, George Kinoti. And we are telling Ichungwah, unachotafuta Mount Kenya, utapata. If you want to divide the Mount Kenya East and Mount Kenya West, and so be it. But you will go down the history that we had very stupid leadership led by you, Ichungwah, that led to one united Mount Kenya to become divisive. Because we have lived with the Meru community. We have defended each other with just, with fairness, without hiding anything. The Meru people have been there for the Kikuyus. The Kikuyus have been there for our cousins, the Meru, the Embu. We have lived together all these years. But it is not a coincidence that during this regime, it is a time we have a witch hunt trying to relate George Kinoti with Shakahora issue, where even the victims who are there, they are coming out clearly and saying that they were there courtesy of Mackenzie and the region that they were waiting to go to heaven. But wewe na ujinga yako Ichungwah, you are there trying to tell people and diverting attention with a serious issue like that one, telling our people that you are going to investigate. As who? Who are you? Hii kazi yako ya budget na ya taxes ya kutetea wa Kenya imekushinda. Saizi wa Kenya mumeongeza taxes, VAT imeenda 16% ya mafuta. Mambo ya ukulima mmetoa from zero rated yenye Uhuru alikuwa mmeweka mpaka exempt the fertilizers. Mambo ya insurance compensation mumeongeza imekuwa 16% insurance compensation for the first time it is being taxed. Na badala wewe uendelee na kazi yako ambao ungefanya huko parliament ya kufanyia Wakenya kazi, ku make sure ati Wakenya they are not taxed. Wewe kazi yako ni mshene, kupiga mdomo ukiingilia mambo ya Shakahora. You are not the CS minister, you are not the PS, you are not director of intelligence, you are not the DCI. What is your interest in the Shakahora issue? Ama ni shamba ya Shakahora unataka kuchukua? We want to tell our people clearly that any leader or stature of Ichungwah, words coming from such a leader should be treated with contempt it deserves. Any person trying to divide Mount Kenya, the east versus west, he should be ashamed of himself. And Ichungwah, you should be ashamed of yourself. The enemy is not in Mount Kenya. The enemy is outside Mount Kenya. Na wewe unatumiwa na hii serikali kugawanyisha, because 2027 you know very well you are not going to get any votes in Mount Kenya.
Mimi siku ya leo kufika hapa ni kwa sababu nina uchungu moyoni. Sijui kwa nini kila kukicha Uhuru. Mtu akilala Uhuru. Kwani Uhuru ni ile jina rahisi kuelewa ama ni nini? Ichungwah. Kumbuka Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta bado ni kiongozi wetu Mount Kenya.